Hello, my name is Raquel and I am the office manager and scheduling coordinator at Siempre Nunca. In previous videos, we have been showing you the process behind these interior doors crafted from blue Mahoe wood, one of the most beautiful and exotic woods in the world. Blue Mahoe is known for its incredible variety of colors. Its hardwood can range from grayish to olive brown, sometimes with streaks of green, blue, or purple. The narrow sapwood contrasts beautifully with its pale yellow tone. It is one of the few woods in the world with an overall great hardwood appearance, and perhaps the only commercial available wood that can exhibit a bluish hue. Blue Mahoe is the national tree of Jamaica, and it thrives very well in Puerto Rico. Here, it is the preferred wood for crafting the puertorriqueña, our national instrument. At Siempre Nunca, we're passionate about bringing unique materials to your projects. Soon, we will be installing these doors, allowing you to truly appreciate the beauty. Do you have a project in mind? Call us at 939-403-6261. And yes, let's bring it to life.